Welcome to this video of my course. In this video, we will create our packages and we will set the prices also. So I will use the packages name as basic, standard and premium, but you can change the names for your gigs and you can keep any other name that you want. But for now, I will stick with these. So after naming the packages, you must explain shortly that what are you going to offer in your basic, standard and premium package. I will suggest you that you must keep the basic package's price as less as possible, as you will be new and buyers will love to invest small amounts on your packages. And once they have seen the trial, then absolutely they are going to order big. And once you have some positive reviews on your gig, then you can increase the price of your basic package also. But I will suggest you to keep it low always forever, and you must not offer something bigger against the small price also. You must put a bigger price on your standard and premium packages, and I have done the same also. So here all the things are related to my niche and I am choosing them accordingly. And I don't know what will be your niche, so you can get the idea by other sellers that what they are offering and what are their conditions. As we have moved to next, then there is option of extra fast delivery. It means that if you are delivering any of your package in 7 days and someone wants you to deliver it in 1 or 2 days, and you can set the price for the quick delivery in every package. So I am doing mine according to my services. As after extra fast delivery, the option of gig extras has come. It means the gig extra service that you are offering. In my case, I can offer an attractive thumbnail in $5, and as a second extra, I can offer YouTube channel banner in $10. Please keep in mind that as you are new seller, then you will be not allowed to set the price more than $20 for your extras. That's all for this video, and I will see you in the next video.